2020 has been a year for me to learn a lot of lessons, as I'm sure a lot of us have. And one of the lessons I've really learned, whether it's in business, working out, with my family, is how important it is to show up and to keep going. When people think about owning their own business, there's this huge world and universe out there, and they think of the end and how scary this whole process is. Well, you don't need to conquer the whole process today. What you need to do is take baby steps, is just keep putting one foot in front of the other. When I've learned this year is that I might not be the best or the smartest or the fastest, but you know what I do? I show up. I'm consistent. I continually take forward steps. So if you're looking to own your own business, start. Just take a little step. You don't need to conquer the whole picture today. Just get started.